Good morning, students. Today we discuss the worksheet number 75, class 3rd to 5th, on date 30th September 2020, given by Directorate of Education, GNCT of Delhi. Here you will write your name, here class and section, and here the teacher name, right? The title of our worksheet is today Our Motherland. So we will read first. India is our motherland. We must respect those who protect our country. Raju and his sister Chanchal went with their family to see the India Gate. It was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Their parents told them that it is a monument made to give respect to the brave soldiers who gave up their lives to defend our motherland. Soldiers are known for their bravery. बच्चों, here you can see the picture of India Gate clearly, right? Now read the questions. Question number 1. Read the lines given above. Find and write 5 nouns from it. And we have told you that nouns are the name of the person, places, or things, right? We can see here that noun is India. India is the name of our country. Chanchal. Chanchal is the name of a person. Raju. Raju is the name of a person. India Gate is the name of a place. Sir Edwin Lutyens, name of a person. So here are the 5 nouns given in this paragraph. So we write that India number 1, Raju number 2, Chanchal number 3, India Gate number 4, and Sir Edwin Lutyens number 5, right? Now move ahead. Question number 2. Have you been to India Gate? If you ever been to India Gate, you will write yes. अगर आप गए हैं इंडिया गेट तो यस लिखेंगे, और नहीं गए हैं तो नो लिखेंगे, राइट? With the help of your teacher, find out where India Gate is situated. So India Gate is situated in Delhi, right? Also draw its picture. So you have to do it yourself. Question number 3. Look at the picture given below. Who are they and what do they do? So बच्चों, we can see a picture here. Okay, these are the soldiers, right? So as mentioned in paragraph, we will write about soldiers. They are soldiers. They are known for their bravery. They gave up their lives to defend our motherland. ये सैनिक हैं, ये अपनी बहादुरता के लिए जाने जाते हैं। सैनिक हमारी मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए अपने प्राणों का बलिदान भी कर देते हैं। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, राइट द नेम्स ऑफ 3 कलर्स in our country's flag. Find out what each color stands for. Now here is the question number 4 and the answer of the question number 4. नंबर 1 कलर सैफरन। आपने झंडा देखा होगा भारत का, तो पहला कलर क्या होता है? सैफरन। एंड सैफरन इज नोन फॉर करेज एंड सेक्रीफाइस। White is known for peace and honesty. Okay, white is known for peace and honesty. And green is known for growth and fertility. ठीक है। सैफरन यानी केसरिया रंग उत्साह और बलिदान का प्रतीक है। सफ़ेद रंग शांति और ईमानदारी का प्रतीक है। और हरा रंग वृद्धि और उपजाऊ का प्रतीक है। राइट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में हम देखेंगे, फाइंड आउट द नेम ऑफ चक्र इन आवर नेशनल फ्लैग, हाउ मेनी स्पोक डज इट हैव। सो चक्र, नेम ऑफ द चक्र इन आवर नेशनल फ्लैग इज अशोक चक्र, राइट। एंड हाउ मेनी स्पोक्स डज इट हैव? इट हैज़ 24। ऐसे होती है ना, ये आप बना के भी दिखा सकते हैं 24, राइट। बना के आप दिखा सकते हैं। सो ये हमारा क्या होता है? अशोक चक्र। और इसका कलर एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है? ब्लू। कौन सी पट्टी पे होता है ये? वाइट। ओके, तो एक नेशनल फ्लैग का आप चित्र बनाकर भी दिखाएंगे, ठीक है। ओके।